what if you could create a cool music by just having a conversation? Yeah, that's actually possible. Now, I came across this AI tool where you can create an amazing AI music by just chatting with an AI agent. Now, unlike other AI tools where you have to come up with a complex prompt, type your full lyrics. Now, with this AI tool, all you just need to do is to provide a very short sentence describing the kind of music you want, and then it will go ahead to create full lyrics for you and then generate your music afterwards. Now, the name of this tool is Tunesona, and let me show you exactly how to use it perfectly well. So right here in tunesona.com, as you can see, this is tunesona.com. So you can already see that we have this chat box here, and then we have some little guide on how to create your prompts. You can see this is like warm morning hugs. If you scroll down a bit, you can see you can create the lyrics, create lyric song, create an instrumental, write your lyrics, generate a style. So down here you can see different genres. This is pop, this is hip hop, rap, instrumental. So once you click on any of this, it gives you an option that you can just select. In case you like any of this, you can select on it. So right there, if we go to the left side, we are currently on the home page. So we'll go to song. Let's create a song, right? Let's see our music. So these are all the songs that I have created before. As you can see, these are all the songs I've created. And right here in your projects, you can create certain categories of music. You can see this is Afro Paper Chaser. So usually it gives you 2 songs when you create, so it groups them in form of a project. So let's go back to the home page where we'll start creating our song. So right here, I need to create my music. Let me see if I would need to use any of these options, right? So let me just say I want to create an Afrobeat song, right? So let's say this is the category of song I want to create. I just type this African Afrobeat. I need to put African. To create a music, you can type a prompt as short as this. So this is what I want to create right now. African Afrobeat song about making money. We all like money. So once you click on this, let's see, you can click on customize. For customize, you would have to type in your lyrics, enter your style, enter your genre. But for now, let's just go back. So you click back on customize and it takes you back to this prompt here. So let's just send this over. Okay, so as you can see, it's trying to come up with a structure for our music. Okay, so it's done building our structure, but as you can see here, it's not in a language that I can understand. This is in probably Japanese or China. So what you just have to do is to come here and just say, if you have this option, just say translate to English. Or let me say translate everything to English. Everything to English. So you just send it over. So as you can see, this is like an interactive conversation with the AI bot, and then to just do what you want basically. Okay, so as you can see, it has translated these things to English, even though it didn't do it very well. But anyways, we can just move over to create our song. So let me just click on this. So right here, our music is currently generating. I'm not sure why it's not translating the language, but anyways, let's wait and see. So it says make it rain. Let's play our AI song and see.
Yeah. Whoa. 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 Yeah. I came in with a dream and a plan. Turn my hunger into a brand. Every step I take is loud and proud. Now the money talk, I stand above the crowd. We gon' make it rain. From the the struggle to the fame, hands up high.
Okay, so as you can see, our song is nice. So there's another option. If you are done creating your song and you want to make like a lyrics video, right? This tool can do that for you. So you come here to download, and as you can see, if you want to download your song, you can just download the original MP3, Wave, or MIDI, whichever one works for you. Then if you want to generate a lyrics video that contains your song, all of that, then you click on this generate video. So right here, you can type your name, and I'm going to type my name and just say Steven Major. So as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and click on download. So it says inappropriate content. Wow. I'm not sure why I did that. But let's see. Let me try. Okay, you can actually select the aspect ratio from here, and then you click on download and see. Let's try once more. Task in progress. Task submitted to download there. So now that the download is done, you can just come here, click on this your profile, go to the download list, click on it, and then you can see the list of downloaded lyrics video here. So as you can see, this is the one I did earlier, and this one we did is currently downloading. So you can see it says downloading. So this first one I did is actually a lovely Afrobeat song, and let me give you a preview of what it looks like.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't go on the beat. We grinding, we shining. Make way. Wake up in the morning, sun is shining bright. I put my shoes on, gotta get my money right. Lagos to London, I cry to the bay. We chasing the paper, no time to delay.
Yeah, right. That was an amazing song, right? So that song was actually generated on this tool. The video you saw was generated on this tool. So that's that about generating a song with just a short prompt. So how about generating your lyrics with Tunesona and generating your full song? So anyways, let's go back to the home page. Back here on the home page, I'm just going to try one of these options. So like I said, if you have your lyrics and your style, you can click on this customize, and then you can see the option to do all of that here. You can see here, if you click on generate lyrics, you can come here. Now, right here, let me just use this option for those people that don't have a lyrics, but you have an idea of a song you want to create. So let's try out this option. So I want to create a love song about my first love. Nice. So I'm just going to click on this, generate lyrics, right? And then it's going to generate my lyrics for me. So as you can see, my lyrics is ready. This is amazing. Started with a verse, and now we can see all of this. So that lyrics is ready. All we just need to do is to click on use lyrics, and now you see we already have a lyrics. So what kind of style do we want? You can either type your style here, or you can pick a style from these options here, or you can even generate a style. Let me see. Generate style. Enter the style of song you want. So let's just leave this option. But if you have a specific style that you can't find in this other section, then you type it there. So for style, let's just do rap, right? So just do rap. And then for gender, let's do random. So the name of the song is Echoes of the First Time. Nice. So just going to send this over, and let's see what we get. So it's working on our music right here. Currently working on our music. You can see our lyrics here. All of this here. So right here, the next thing we just need to do is to click on confirm and start generating the song. So once you click on this, the AI bot begins to generate your song. Okay, so our song is currently generating, right? So song is finna be ready, man. Our song finna be ready. Right, so we just have to wait for it. Yeah, ready, ready, go. So let's preview our song.
carving our initials on the brick of the wall. We were just kids with our hearts on our sleeves, hiding from the world in the golden autumn leaves. Oh, you were my first, the start of it all. The first time I learned what it meant to fall. An innocent spark that set me ablaze. I'll carry you with me for the rest of my day, sharing our secrets underneath the stars, listening to mixtapes in the back of old.
Wow, wow, wow. Now, isn't that amazing? That's really, really amazing. That's just the first option. We still have another option here that we can preview. Let's just listen to what it looks like, what it sounds like.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I still remember the playground in the fall, carving our initials on a brick of the wall. We were just kids with our hearts on our sleeve, hiding from the world in the golden autumn leaves. Oh, you were my first, the start of it all. The first time I learned what it meant to fall.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now, if you need any of these songs, let's say you just want to vibe to it, feel free to send me a DM and I would send it to you. I'm actually going to add this to my playlist. So as you can see, these are amazing music. You can do the same for any style of music you want. All you just need to do is follow the process that I just explained. This is the charts. If you don't like anything in the song, you probably don't like the beating, the voice, you just come here and you know, tell the chat what you want to change, and it will go ahead and create a new one for you. So let's go back to the home page. So next up, I'm going to create an instrumental. So let's say you're editing a video or you run a podcast or anything like that, anything of such. You want to create an instrumental just for your work or something. So just click on create instrumental, same thing. You don't have the direct prompt to create your instrumental. What do? Come here and describe the kind of instrumental that you want to create, right? So let's say I run a podcast, for example, and I want to create an instrumental for like a background music for my podcast or a soundtrack for my montage for my podcast. So what do I do? So let's just say, let's do soundtrack. So this is what we are going to send. I'm just using this as an example. You can use it for any other purpose. I'm just going to send this over. Okay, so right here, you can see we have options. So which of these are we going to pick? Cinematic inspiration, warm lofi atmosphere, modern minimalist. So I think I like the modern minimalist based on the kind of thing I'm having in my head. So just click on this one. Okay, so as you can see, it has created the style, the strategy. The strategy section is done. So next up, we have to just lock and generate the style. So I have to wait for it again. So as you can see, we've explored a couple of these options. So this tells you that you can use Tunesona to create any kind of music that you want. So right here, like I said, this is your where you see your list of songs, and then this is where you find projects that you have worked on. So if you want to try out Tunesona, you can check out their plans and then pick whichever one works for you. So that'll be all for the video. So ensure you go try out Tunesona and create some amazing music. Now observe that a lot of you watching this video haven't really subscribed to my channel. So ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel and share it with anybody that might need it. Now before I let you go, I'm going to play my favorite music created with Tunesona.
Yeah. I dog on the beat. We grinding, we shining. Make way. Wake up in the morning, sun is shining bright. I put my shoes on, gotta get my money right. Lagos to London, I cry to the bay. We chasing the paper, no time to delay. They see me coming, they know it's a vibe. Hustle so heavy, keeping the dream alive. No sleep for the wicked, we steady on the grind. Leave all the haters and the jealousy behind. Oh, honey cocoa, we making the dough. Stacking the naira, watching it grow. From the street to the penthouse, see how we fly. Afrobeat bouncing, reaching the sky. Give me the rubber, give me